Good morning and welcome to the vlog. My name is Ed and we are now here in Kaohsiung. It's our official first day sa pag-iikot and exploring the city of Kaohsiung. So our schedule today is to go to Fo Guangshan Buddha Museum. Ito yung malaking copper na Buddha dito sa Asia. And then after that, the plan is to go to Sijin. And then in between, baka magpunta tayo sa mga market, have lunch. But that's the general idea of what today looks like. Medyo mas comfortable na tayo going around because it's a new city. It's my first time here. So, let's do this. So, today is a Sunday. And kahapon kasi, I think or until ngayon, parang holiday, parang Memorial Day nila dito. So, it was a little bit, kumbaga, tricky. Dahil maraming sarado, maraming bukas, and some of them, parang nag-long weekend sila. Tipong ang bukas pa nila is Monday. So, medyo challenge of the GoBots yung pagkuha ng pagkain, where to go. So, most of them are closed. Buti na lang, may Google Maps. Kapag may establishment kang gustong puntahan, makikita mo if they're open. And maganda rin na nag-update yung mga vendor. Kasi kung hindi, magta-travel ka for nothing. So right now, the closest station sa akin is the Central Park Station, and then we'll go to the Zuying MRT station. Parang dulo yata yun. And then we'll take bus, ano ba yun? 02 yata. That will go straight to the Buddha Museum. Okay, tawid muna tayo. So the train should be here any minute. And right now it's around 8 o'clock. Nagbubukas yung Buddha Museum. So pasensya, hindi ko matandaan. Kasi umagang-umaga pa. Nagbubukas siya ng 9 o'clock. So if we leave here, we have 1 hour, 45-ish travel time. So pagdating natin doon, sakto na. Diba? At least we can beat the crowd. Mahirap kasi mag-picture. So sobrang haba ng, or sobrang daming tao. Akit lang tayo and exit. And then we'll look for our bus station. Okay? So we are now here at the bus stops. Hahanapin na lang natin ngayon kung nasaan yung stop ng E02. Itong bus stop number 3, yung papunta sa Fo Guangshan Temple. Ang hirap. Okay, hintay lang natin yung bus and then we'll go. Medyo mahaba yung pila. Sana makasakit tayong lahat. Okay? Ayan. Ito mabing. 啊，
后面有人要下车，后面还有人没有下完，司机后面还有人没有下完，他刷卡了。
Oh, thank you.
对不起啊。
Thank you. Tap already.
Okay.
Thank you. Muna siya. Pinilig sa rin yung pinto. Oh my goodness. Babalik pa niya ako. Mahal na binayaran ko. Wait lang. Stress ako doon. Hi guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Fo Guangshan Buddha Museum. Nandito siya. Ito yung ating first destination sa ating Kaohsiung adventure. And masaya to, kaya samahan niyo. Let's go! So bali, ito yung kanyang entrance. Medyo galit ang araw. Medyo malakas siya. So, let's go. So, basically, ito yung buong grounds niya. So, nandito tayo kanina. Ito yung entrance natin and ito yung great path to Buddhahood. And then, alam ko 8 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. May ibig sabihin yun eh. Parang paths yata yun. And then we go up. And then you see the big copper Buddha sa loob. Siguro ang unang gusto niyong itanong ay saan pwedeng i-book ang lugar na ito o saan ka magbabayad. Napakasimple po. Ito po ay hindi nyo pwedeng i-book dahil libre siya. This is a free venue to visit. And honestly, nasa harap ko siya ngayon. Ang ganda niya. Ay ang isa sa pinakamalaking complex. Ang sabi niya dito, teka. Alam niyo ba na ang Fo Guangshan ay isa sa pinakamalaking Buddhist complex sa buong mundo? Ang sabi pa dito, it was founded by the Venerable Master Xing Yun with the goal of making Buddhism accessible to the world. Tapos kung makikita ninyo dito sa dinaanan natin kanina, ang sabi dito is yung 8 pagodas na dadaanan mo going here represents the Noble Eightfold Path. And yan siya, yung complex na to. Sobrang laki. And it's so serene and then sobrang ganda. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng museum mismo. Meron silang mga iba't ibang galleries na pwedeng puntahan. And nasa taas nito yung malaking Buddha. So mag-rest lang tayo sandali and then that's our next destination. Okay guys, as promised, we are here. Nandito na yung Buddha. And did you know that the exact measurement of this Buddha is 108 meters, which apparently yung 108 has, yung number na yan ay may significance sa Buddhist religion. So naikot na natin siya, and then we were able to get closer to the Big Buddha. At isa lang yung mako-comment ko dito sa lugar. It's very quiet, it's very serene, and it's a good place for reflection, and very peaceful siya. So if you have time and you're here, this is a place where you can actually get lost in your thoughts, and ano lang siya, very, very relaxing lang siya, and very quiet because it's in the middle of nowhere. You can hear the chanting and, the occasional gong here and there. So, siya, it's such a great place for quiet reflection and to be one with your thoughts. So, yun yung general idea of that I'm getting from this place. And of course, I highly recommend that you visit it. It's free. It's 30 minutes away from the center of Kaohsiung. And personally, it's worth the time you go here. At ako, medyo mag-iikot pa ako ng konti, and then I'll just explore all of the other places and, rest here for a while and probably meditate. I am actually going around looking at all the different galleries, and then I stumbled into like a 3D show dito that shows the life of the Buddha. It's first time ko siyang nakita and to hear about the story, and it was parang tagal ko ng buhay, hindi ko alam yun. I know of Buddhism, but I didn't know the foundation of that belief, and I guess I'm grateful na nagpunta ako dito, and now I'm learning a lot, which is good. And now, balik na tayo dito sa grounds, dito sa mga may pagoda. Ayan. Ayan siya. Against the light. Meron dito parang golden tree. White horse carrying me. Nakita niyo naman, it's such a massive grounds. At nandito sa harapan ko yung 8 pagodas na sinabi ko kanina. And honestly, it's just, yung buong lugar is just one, place of parang prayer, enlightenment, and ganda. Super ganda. We're done here for today, and we're moving on to our next agenda. One bean, please?
Okay.
Yes, please. Thank you. Sure.